Guys, ayun. Try natin kung gumagana. Siya. Type C na siya guys, type C. Puno natin on. Mana siya, mana.
After challenges, you bounce back stronger. Now your damaged hair can too. New Dove Peptide Bond Repair with Bioprotein Care. Reconstructs up to 90% of hair bond strength. Hair reborn 20 times stronger. New Dove. Tigo kaya, tanggapin, na ako'y magkukuha sa Moist. Dito, pwede mo na magkusot sa Surf Ultra Power Liquid. May liquid na din, pwede hindi na kasapin.
Nasa basket guys, nasa basket.